Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to change your Minecraft skin online, and to do so it's very easy. The first thing that you have to do is to go to Google and then go and search for Minecraft skin. So just type it like that, and here you will find this website called minecraftskins.com, the skin decks. So click on it here, and then once you have clicked on it you will find a lot of skins. You can choose whatever you want. So here let's go to the search and type, for example, knight, and hit enter. Now once you have clicked on enter, you will find many skins. So let's choose any one of them. Let's say this one, for example, and then here click on download. Now be careful guys, because there is a lot of fake download buttons. So go to the gray download button in the right, this one exactly. Don't get scammed please, because there are some viruses here and some malwares that are just laying around in this website. So click on download here. Don't click on this one, not on this one, on this one. Click on this one, the gray one. Click on it, and then here it should be a PNG file. Now go to your Minecraft launcher and then go to the skin section, and then here you can create a new skin or add a new skin. You have this plus button, click on it, and then you can name your skin and choose whether you want the slim or the wide model. And then once you have chosen these two settings, you can go and browse your files to find the downloaded skin that you just have grabbed earlier, and then click on save and continue, and you will be able to play with your new skin really easily. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.